I call Hondajet, it's a flying sports car. You will be very impressed with the acceleration. Very fast to reach 41 or 43,000 feet. It's very agile, like even paint or surface is more like a car. It's a very smooth and very sleek painting. Many people ask why Honda developed aircraft. We see Honda as a mobility company. We start from motorcycle and automobile, and now we challenge to the aviation industry. Currently, major market is in North America and Europe, and also recently we opened a facility in China, Guangzhou, and also Singapore is a very good location too. So we are looking at the base in Thailand, but also we are having some representation in Singapore as well. Probably there is several businessmen who may use this kind of very affordable business jet. This is the first attempt to apply over-the-wing engine mount configuration to the business jet. By mounting engine over the wing, we can eliminate all structure to support engine to the fuselage so that we can maximize cabin. And also engine vibration or noise do not transmit to the fuselage directly because engine attached to the wing. Our objective is to establish foundation and get confidence and trust from customers. Finally, we recoup our investment and producing profit. I'm hoping that many people in Singapore or Indonesia or Thailand are aware the Hondajet has a potential in this region. That is very exciting for me.